Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain you about GPAT exam. GPAT full form is Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test and it is a national level entrance examination to entry into MPharm program and it is conducted by NTA. NTA means National Testing Agency. Coming to GPAT colleges and seats, during the process of counseling, the candidates can apply for 782 participating institutions, and there are more than 39,670 seats for PG programs. Coming to eligibility criteria, the candidate who is appearing for GPAT should be an Indian citizen and there is no age bar, and the candidate should hold minimum 4 year course in B Farm after 10 plus 2. Final year B Farm students are also eligible to apply, provided that their results should be declared before the admission to the 2021-22. Coming to GPAT exam pattern, in this exam mode is computer based. That is, you have to write your exam online, and exam duration is 3 hours. Total number of questions are 125, and type of questions is MCQ. Marking scheme: 4 marks are avoided for every correct response and 1 mark is deducted for every wrong response. Maximum marks are 500 marks. Coming to cutoff scores, here you can see the cutoff for general is 163 and for OBC is 131 and SC is 103 and ST is 76 and EWS means economically weaker sections. For them, cutoff is 104 marks. You can see that every year cutoff is going to increase. For general category, when comparing to previous year, 22 marks are increased. For OBC, 14 marks, SC, 8 marks, ST, 2 marks, and EWS, not. Coming to GPAT registration important dates. Registration starts in first week of November. Last date to fill application form is first week of December. Last date of fee transition is first week of December. Admit card release date is third week of December. Examination date is fourth week of January. And coming to important subjects for GPAT, coming to major subjects: pharmacology, pharmacognosy, pharmaceutics, organic chemistry, medicinal chemistry, and pharmaceutical analysis. Coming to minor subjects: biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, pathophysiology, pharmaceutical jurisprudence, dispensing and hospital pharmacy, human anatomy, and physiology. And coming to preparation tips to crack GPAT exam, this is very important for all the students. First thing is get well versed with basic concept. You have to remember all the basic concepts, and your plan should be realistic and effective. You have to study at least 3 to 4 hours per day and give importance to all subjects. Prepare short notes. Your short notes should be informative and it should be very short. We can revise very quick. Lastly, solve mock test papers. You have to solve all the previous papers and example papers, because by solving them you will get to know that how the pattern of GPAT